first we have number 3. Write the exponential expression 10x to the 10/9 in radical form. For this one, you have to understand that we do not have parentheses here. If we did, would the 10 get the 10/9 exponent? If we had parentheses here, yes, the 10/9 would go to both. Without parentheses, this is a grouping on its own with a 10 in front of it. Okay? So the 10 is unaffected by the exponent 10/9. Next, we apply the fractional exponent rule. The 9 becomes x's root, and the 10 becomes x's exponent. Now, if you're looking for that answer in the list of choices, it'll either look like that or this. The little 10 power could either be directly on the x, or it could be outside the root, and it would be the same. Let's see, do we have that anywhere? 10 9th root x to the 10th looks like A. While we're here, let's go ahead and do number 5. What is that mess in simplest form? So first, you want to rewrite the top as x to the 4/5 and the bottom as x to the 4/6. So I'm applying the fractional exponent rule again. The root becomes the x's denominator, the little 5. The root 6 becomes x's denominator on the bottom. Now we're going to incorporate the quotient rule, which says that we need to subtract these two exponents. To do so, you're going to need to do 4/5 minus 4/6. You could either do that on your calculator and then use the math fraction feature to change it back to a fraction. Or you could remember what we did in elementary school and find a common denominator between 5ths and 6ths. I think it's going to be 30ths. To change this to 30ths, you multiply top and bottom by 6. Minus. To change this to 30ths, you multiply top and bottom by 5. So x to the 24/30ths minus 20/30ths would be x to the 4/30ths. If you were working quickly, you might think that A is the answer. But it says, what is it in simplest form? 4/30ths reduces to 2/15ths. That's why C is the best answer for number 5.